some words and some small phrases in Urdu. Urdu language is spoken in Pakistan and India. This, ye. Now you say. Now we will say together. Ye. I, मैं. Now you say. Now we will say together. मैं. Repeat. दोबारा. Now you say. Now we will say together. दोबारा. He, वो. Now you say. Now we will say together. वो. You, आप. Now you say. Now we will say together. आप. Today. आज. Now you say. Now we will say together. आज. This is my pen. ये मेरा पेन है. Now you say. Now we will say together. ये मेरा पेन है. I am Ali. मैं अली हूँ. Now you say. Now we will say together. मैं अली हूँ. Please repeat again. दोबारा बताएं. Now you say. Now we will say together. I'm going to repeat again. This, ये, I, मैं. Repeat, दोबारा. He, वो. You, आप. Today, आज. This is my pen. ये मेरा पेन है. I'm Ali. मैं अली हूँ. Please repeat again. दोबारा बताएं. So I'm going to repeat only the words again. This, ये. I, मैं. Repeat, दोबारा. He, वो. You, आप. Today, आज. Okay, bye. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you very much. Bye.